This dance is called One Day You'll Get It. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner level line dance with one tag. So we're starting on our right foot with some side touches. So we step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Into half a rumba box forward. So we step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, step the right forward, touch the left beside the right. That set of steps once more then. Side touches off on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, side, close, step, touch. Some more side touches, starting with the left. So we're going to step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left, step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Into a slow chassé to the left with a quarter turn on the end. So we step the left to the side, step the right beside the left, make a quarter turn left as you step forward on that left. Make sure you have turned your body, don't just twist it, even if it means you lift that heel of that right foot off the floor. That's absolutely fine. Just make sure you have turned. And hold. So that little set of steps once more then. Side touches off on the left. 7, 8, side, touch, side, close, turn, hold. So add that to the top. Side touch off on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, side, close, step, touch, side, close, turn, hold. Add on some mambo crosses. So our mambo cross, we're going to rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, cross the right over the left. That's a right-footed mambo cross. Then hold. Repeat with the left foot. So a left mambo cross, rocking to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, cross that left over the right, that's your mambo cross, hold. That set of steps once more then, 2 mambo crosses off on the right. 7, 8, mambo, cross, hold, mambo, cross, hold. So add that to the top. Side touch off on the right. 7, 8, side touch, side, close, step, touch, side, close, turn, hold. Mambo, cross, hold, mambo, cross, hold. Now we're going to do a couple of vines with a bit of a turn in the middle. So we're going to step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, make a quarter turn right as you step that right forward. So again, make sure you have turned your body. Just shuffle back a little bit here. Add on another quarter of a turn to the right as you hitch left. So we've turned the quarter right and my left is now in the hitch position. And we're going to vine to the left. So step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side, touch right beside the left. So we have got a half turn in the middle. Quarter turn at the end of the first vine, and we put that hitch on, making a further quarter into the vine to the left. So let's just try that once more then. Right foot leading into that vine. 7, 8, side, behind, turn, hitch, side, behind, side, touch. Hopefully you remembered with that hitch to make that further quarter of a turn. So it's the end of the dance. When we get to that point, let's put it all together. Side touch off on the right. 7, 8, side touch, side, close, step, touch, side, close, turn, hold. mambo, cross, hold, side, behind, turn, hitch, side, behind, side, touch. So that is your dance. Now it is a full wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side touch off on the right. 7, 8. Side touch, side, close, step, touch, side, close, turn, hold. Mambo, cross, hold, mambo, cross, hold. Side, behind, turn, hitch, side, behind, side, touch, side, close, step, touch, side, close, turn. Mambo, cross, hold, mambo, cross, hold, side, behind, turn, hitch, side, behind, side, touch, side, close, step, touch, side, close, turn. Mambo, cross, side, behind, turn, hitch, side, behind, side, touch. So hopefully you managed to follow that, especially that last wall where I missed out the word hold. And just put a little pause in there. So that is your dance and your walkthrough, but there's a tag in this dance. Comes at the end of wall 3. So wall 3 will be your 6 o'clock wall. You will actually be facing 9 o'clock when you get to do the tag. Now the tag quite simply is a jazz box, but it's a jazz box that's made up of toe struts. So we're going to cross the right over the left, cross that right toe over, lower the heel. Step the left toe back, lower the heel. Step the right toe to the side, lower the heel. Step the left toe beside the right, lower the heel. So that's your modified jazz box made up of toe struts. So let's just try that once more. Crossing that right toe over the left. 7, 8. Cross strut, back strut, side strut, toe strut. End of wall 3. So wall 3 is that back wall. Let's do wall 3. Do the tag and restart the dance. Side touches off on the right. 7, 8. Side touch, side, close, step, touch, side, close, turn. Mambo, cross, side, behind, turn, hitch, side, behind, side, touch. Into your tag, cross, strut, back, strut, toe strut, side, close, step, touch. Starts the dance again. So hopefully you can see how that tag fits in. End of wall 3. So that is your dance, it's your walkthrough, it's your tag information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Side touch, close, step, touch, side touch, close, turn. Mambo cross, side behind, turn, hitch, side behind, side touch, side close, step, touch, side close, turn. Mambo cross, side behind, turn, hitch, side behind, side touch, side close, step, touch, side close, turn. Mambo cross as your tag's coming up. 1. Tag, cross strut, back strut, side strut, toe strut, side touch, close, step touch, side close, turn. Mambo cross, side behind, turn, hitch, side behind, side touch, side close, step touch, side close, turn. Mambo cross,
Don't let your anger spin by.
Side touch.
I know you don't understand why we're up and down 5:15.
Elbows.
It's just a can of worms, couple Zancos, sunflower seeds getting out the window. One day this truck I'm driving will be the wheels you spin. These words are flying by, but they start sinking in. Just like these 80 acres, this house where you were raised. Everything I'm trying to say, one day you'll get it. All the lines by my eyes and the nights that I spend away, you'll get it. Granddad's 22, all the truth in that old King James, you'll get it. Every single thing that I got in my name, you'll get it. One day you'll get it. One day this truck I'm driving will be the wheels you spin. These words are flying by, but they'll start sinking in. Just like these 80 acres, this house where you were raised. Everything I'm trying to say, one day you'll get it. One day, one day. One day you'll get it. One day, one day.
Hope you managed that one.